Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can make custom welcome messages with a MME6 or how it's called. So what you want to do first is open Google Chrome and now just write into your browser this. And when you will have it, go to best Discord server, yes. Now you want to select add Discord. And first what is going to happen is like it want to access your account. This is happening only because I have the app installed on Windows. So I will click here, authorize. And now, okay, so select the server. You will see the servers that you are actually admin in. So you're gonna see only those servers. So let's set up. Now, add bot 2, this is the way, yes, continue. Confirm that you want. You can also like edit this if you want to. Authorize. I'm not a robot. I think so. Maybe I'm Mark Zuckerberg. Who knows? But yeah. And now you just gonna click here, welcome. And now send a message when the user joins the server. Or you can like give a role to new users, send a private message to new users. Or send a message when the user leaves the server. Send a message when the user joins. Let go. Now select the channel. General, you can also choose the channel if you want to. Now, welcome to server. I hope you will have a great day. Now, you can also change, like send a welcome card when the user joins the server. Or you can also like, let's save it. Send a message when the user leaves the server. You can also have that. But it's really up to you which one you choose. And now what I'm going to do is like, okay, I have it. When I would go to Discord, I can see it right here. And if someone would join the server, he would get automatically the message. Then of course, what you can do also is to send a private message to new users. Have a great time here in server. I hope you will enjoy it. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to write me up. So this is pretty much it. And this is how we do it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions or any problems with installing this plugin or Discord bot, have a great day. Ask me down. Goodbye. See ya.